Welcome all students to the course Analysis and Design of Machine Foundations, CVL 861. Many of you are familiar with me already, having done previous course under me. Now this course is running in slot D. The theory class shall be held on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, 9 to 10 am. For lab, we have chosen Friday, 9 to 10, and if necessary, we'll meet at 12. Now, my contact details are as shown here. My email address is sballa@civil.iitd.ac.in. My office is situated in block 5, 102. However, we are doing the course online, so you don't need that. The WhatsApp group CVL 861 bracket 202021. Now let's talk about the course. The main objective of the course is to make the student well versed in the theoretical aspects, analysis aspects, and design aspects of machine foundations. In addition, we also aim to equip you with all the practical aspects necessary, including field measurements and vibration isolation. We are covering both block type and frame type foundations in this particular course. Now here are the main course contents. We'll cover general design requirements, general fundamentals of dynamics of machine foundations, both rotating and reciprocating type machines, determination of the soil properties, modeling, analysis and design of block and frame type foundations, specific details for machines of compressors and turbo generators, detailed dynamic analysis and modes of vibrations for block and frame type foundations. We'll also discuss the practical techniques for vibration isolation along with practical case studies. We'll also go through the codal requirements and specifications in a detailed manner, and also go through the construction aspects of machine foundations. In laboratory, we have planned experiments involving instrumentation aspects of various types of machines, instrumentation aspects in terms of sensors and data acquisition systems, measurement of soil parameters, measurement of vibration related parameters, vibration isolation, and also computational aspects related to frame type foundations, including dynamic analysis. Now in this particular semester, the lab will run in the online mode. So what we have done is that in the lab we have done some recording and we'll show that recording. Measurement data has also been collected in the lab beforehand, and that data will be shared among you for carrying out the analysis. So some of the experiments are involving equipment, and some of the experiments they involve computational aspects including modeling. Now the main reference will be the book by Srinivasu and Vaidyanathan. This is available by McGraw-Hill Publishing Company. Other reference book is by Dr. K.G. Bhatia, which is very detailed book and is for practicing engineers. Now coming to course evaluation, we have minor 1 15 marks, minor 2 also 15 marks, then major will be 40 marks, laboratory 20 marks, colloquium presentations will be 5 marks, and attendance has 5 marks, so this makes up a total of 100 marks. Now for report writing, let me tell you some of the guidelines. Report has to be submitted before the next laboratory class. Say if a class is held in a particular Friday, then by next Friday we should get the report. Also we need to follow a certain prescribed format for the report. I am just describing here. So the first page of the report should be like this: the title of the experiment, followed by the names of the students, some of the experiments will be done individually and some experiments will be done in groups, so you have to accordingly write the names. And first of all, we should have the abstract. So in the abstract, you should concisely describe what were your objectives, your methodology, and your summary conclusions coming out of the experiment. Then we have to write the detailed objectives, then experimental details. In case of measurements, you have to produce the measurements in a tabular form, and at the bottom of the page you should write the date of performing the experiment and the date of submission, and also as footnote you should clearly indicate who is the coordinator in case multiple students are involved in performing the experiment. Figures, they should be very clear. If there are pictures, they should be well labeled. Then we should have the conclusions and the references. Please follow the proper format for the references as shown here. All the author names, the year, the title, journal, and volume and page numbers. In case of books, please follow the format as shown here, where the author name, year of publishing, the title, and the publisher name and location should be clearly mentioned. In the case of online resources, the website should be clearly mentioned along with the year of accessing the website. So I wish you all the best for this particular course. If you have any queries, the best way to approach me is by sending WhatsApp message within the WhatsApp group of this particular course. Let me also inform you that some of the exams will be open book exams, because this course is professional course, so here our emphasis is not on memorizing but in applying the knowledge. So I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.